Are you looking for the best camera lens? In this video we will look at some of the best camera lens on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Meike 50mm f1.2 large. The Meike 50mm f1.2 large aperture full-frame manual focus lens is a versatile and high-quality lens designed for various camera mounts, including Sony E, Nikon Z, Canon EF/RF, and L mount cameras. Its standout feature is its large f1.2 aperture, allowing for excellent low-light performance in creating beautiful, creamy bokeh for stunning background blur. The manual focus capability gives photographers precise control over their shots, making it an ideal choice for those who enjoy a hands-on approach to photography. Whether you're into portrait, low-light, or creative photography, the Meike 50mm f1.2 lens offers a fantastic combination of speed, precision, and versatility. Number 2. Meike 85mm f1.8. The Meike 85mm f1.8 is a versatile and well-crafted lens designed for Nikon Z, Fujifilm X, and Sony E mount cameras. With its medium telephoto focal length and wide aperture of f1.8, it's an excellent choice for portrait photography, allowing you to capture stunning shots with a pleasing depth of field and beautiful background blur. One standout feature is its autofocus capability, providing convenience and speed when capturing moments. The inclusion of a stepping motor, STM, enhances the autofocus performance, ensuring smooth and quiet operation, which is particularly beneficial for video recording. Number 3. Nikon 18-200mm f divided by 3.5-5.6 GAF SED. The Nikon 18-200mm f divided by 3.5-5.6 GAF SED VR2 NIKKOR telephoto zoom lens is a versatile and all-in-one solution for Nikon DX format digital SLR cameras. Its focal length range of 18 to 200 mm allows photographers to capture a wide variety of scenes, from wide-angle landscapes to telephoto shots, without the need to change lenses frequently. Equipped with Nikon's silent wave motor, SWM, technology, the autofocus is not only swift but also nearly silent, making it ideal for both photography and video recording. The extra-low dispersion, ED, glass elements contribute to reducing chromatic aberrations and ensuring sharp, high-contrast images. Number 4. Sony E70-350mm. Sony's E70-350mm f divided by 4.5-6.3 G OSS lens is a versatile and powerful option for APS-C cameras, offering an impressive zoom range and super long focal length. Whether you're into wildlife photography, sports, or capturing distant subjects, this lens has you covered. The built-in optical steady shot (OSS) technology helps minimize blur, ensuring sharp and clear images even at longer focal lengths. With a wide aperture range, it provides flexibility in various lighting conditions. The lens is designed for Sony's E-mount cameras, making it a seamless addition to your photography gear, offering a blend of convenience and exceptional performance for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 5. Nikon AFS-FX NIKKOR 24-70mm. The Sony E70-350mm is a telephoto zoom lens, ideal for capturing distant subjects with clarity. Its versatile focal range makes it suitable for various scenarios, from wildlife photography to sports events. On the other hand, the Nikon AFS-FX NIKKOR 24-70mm is a standard zoom lens that covers a range commonly used for everyday photography. It's great for capturing a variety of scenes, from landscapes to portraits, making it a go-to choice for many photographers. In essence, while the Sony lens specializes in bringing faraway subjects closer, the Nikon lens is more of an all-around performer, perfect for a range of situations. Both have their own strengths, so the choice ultimately depends on the specific needs and preferences of the photographer.